Meron tayo dito egg sandwich. Ayan, rotate natin, guys. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong, egg sandwich with raisin yung bread na merong cheese sa loob. Cabbage, tama ba?
Hindi lettuce.
Lettuce, sorry.
Cabbage ka dyan.
Mayonnaise on top and ketchup. First bite.
May egg, may cheese.
Ang lutong ng lettuce. Yun yung wait. Asan? Ay, sweet naman.
Uy, sana all.